Those are just penises.
They are carbon monoxide imprints of Joe Montana's penis.
That's pretty odd, but I guess I wouldn't understand. I'm not a die-hard 49ers fan. And you've had those since you were 7.
Yes sir.
Did someone buy them for you?
Don't let your mouth write checks your ass can't cash.
I'm confused. I'm assuming you didn't buy those yourself. Since you were 7. So who bought you? At 7. Bookends. That were carbon monoxide imprints of Joe Montana's penis.
Joe Flacco.
When you were 7, Joe Flacco, the quarterback of the Ravens, bought you bookends. That were carbon monoxide imprints of Joe Montana's penis.
Yes sir.